Well, good afternoon. It's about 1:30 in the afternoon and it is raining. Humidity is 96%. Look at that. Is this what you call fog on the mountain? And it's 48, 50 degrees outside. Okay, I'm having a friend over for lunch today. Let me show you what I'm fixing. No, we're not going to eat outside, although I'm looking forward to that. Am I walking too fast? Well, here we go. So, I've made tomato soup with sweet peppers and fresh tomatoes. And I'm going to top it off with a little bit of fresh basil. And we're going to have grilled cheese sandwiches. I've toasted the bread a little bit. I'm sorry, I know whole wheat's better for me, but grilled cheese was always on white bread, so that's what we're having. I've already toasted the bread a little bit and buttered it, and we'll do it in here. I'm using a mild cheddar cheese today, and we have some fresh pickles that are a gift of Kathy. She canned these pickles up herself, gave them to me earlier this year. So we're gonna have a good little, sorry, I'm not gonna serve it up, she's not here yet. Thank you for sharing. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.